Ram,
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you 3 questions,
Uh-huh.
and I want you to answer those questions, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. And I want everyone else at home, I'm going to ask these questions, answer these as well.
In the
Number
comments.
one, not just while you're talking, just while you're listening to me, answer it verbally while you're watching this video. And
Okay.
everyone, you do the same. Okay, number 1,
Uh-huh.
who is your Lord?
Allah.
And what is your religion?
Al-Islam.
And who was the prophet that was sent to you?
Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you the same 3 questions, and you have to answer them, but you can't open your lips. You have to keep your lips sealed. Your lips have to be touching each other, and you have to answer though. Okay. So who is your Lord?
As in, you want me to speak while my lips are closed, but I can move my teeth?
Your lips have to be closed. So answer the question with your lips sealed. So who is your Lord? Who is your Lord? Imran, who is your Lord? Who is your Lord? Bro, it's a simple question. Who is your Lord?